Yo, what is up, everyone? I got an Amazon package today for, well, I can only tell you later in the minute in the video, so we're gonna open it up, make sure the stuff of inside. I love what they ship out, even if it costs $10 extra. We don't talk about that for this video. I know I'm cutting towards myself, which is dumb. We're just gonna go this open. And here we are. Oh, this is hefty. I like this. Alright. Here is the reveal. This is a 65% keyboard. Open. Dull knife. Box seems to have a little bit of damage. Nothing horrible though. Alright. Brown switches, yes, wired, perfect. Alright, that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted brown switches because it's a lot like my TKL here. My Razor Huntsman. TKL, there's more tape there. Get this open. Sorry. Here we are. This is what I was looking forward to. So we got the cable here. That's actually not too bad of a cable. 6-foot cable. Basic white cable. Love it. And now for the actual thing. You get puller, of course. Can't not have that. Keyboard here. And then we got instruction manual right here. I'm gonna keep the box though. 100% keeping it. There's a list of the commands on how to use it. So we're gonna go. This is sealed away. This is nice. Alright. Want it real quick. It's off. I know I'm very barbaric, like ooh. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright. It has some kickstand feet. We're gonna set that to max because that's just how I like my keyboards. Let's get a quick sound test. Let's get a microphone right here. Alright, so I got my old cord ready to plug in. We're just gonna burn. You might not be able to see it because of the lighting, but it's doing like a whole mouse thing right now. Well, let's look at this. We are now in Rocket Racing. Just gotta wait for this game to load. It might be a little bit laggy because of the recording, but hopefully not. Alright. I don't feel any input delay so far. There's a bit of lag from basic things. It has a bit of a click to it. I feel I have to put a bit of pressure. The mouse is normal. Yeah, I can tell it's just relatively normal. Yeah. Yo, this keyboard is great. Loving it all the way. Bit of lag there. It's not the keyboard's fault though. It's misrepresented, don't worry about it. he'll test this if Sar's a noob likes this. If he likes that, you know you did something right. There's a connoisseur with keyboards. Oh shoot. God dang it. I forgot this is ranked. That's some motherfucking bullshit. Alright. Not a great game, but not the keyboard's fault. I'd like to specify that that's not the keyboard's fault at all. That's my fault because I'm recording. My Fortnite does not like being recorded because I have a bad CPU. It's not the keyboard's fault. Many other games will work well with this. We could even try some other games at a later date. But I'm going to be using this keyboard for about a week or two. I'm going to get used to it. I'm going to have fun with it. Because I do really like the design. It's a super nice keyboard. Like, there's almost no input delay from what I can tell. Which is a very good sign, in my opinion. Very, very good sign. Now for the postpartum analysis. Yeah. Yo, what is up, guys? I just finished testing out the keyboard. It's super nice. From what I can tell, there's almost zero input delay, which is super nice. I really appreciate that. For a $20 to $30 keyboard, this is really good. It goes on discount quite a bit, so it's nice. Like, there's no rattle. Space bars are very nice. You should be able to hear that. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Everything. I like the model. I'm pretty sure you can change it from like snow white. I just haven't figured out how. Could have it like move different colors and stuff. Pretty sure it's just like the snow white, but in my opinion, I like that. So it's gonna go well with what I'm gonna do with it. But I'm gonna use this keyboard for a while. You'll probably see it in streams soon. So make sure to tune into those. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification button down below so you don't miss out on future content. And I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed this video.